Hello Rangers, Mr. Medema here, and I'm back in my shop. Actually doing some major reorganizing here. I built a second story in between my upstairs attic storage and trying to make some room for some stuff. Anyway, so I'm working on my table saw here as my thing. So I picked up the guitar yesterday, took the clamps off of it, and now I am ready to put on the bridge. And so I taped off where the bridge is going to go. Got a couple little holes in there, and those line up. So we are going to put that on there. So I'll clamp that on, get that tight, and then we'll cut off that perimeter, and we'll be ready to give it a test drive. So earlier today I glued on the bridge. Had these cool little clamps that kind of go way back in there. Allow me to put pressure on. And 3 of those inside there holding the pressure on. And that is all glued in. And so now I'm about to take a flush trim bit here. And that little bearing on the top should ride right on the blue tape. And we should cut off that extra part of the soundboard that we don't need. So let's see what happens. So I started up here and worked my way down so far to this point. Kind of slow going, but it's getting there. Alright, she is all trimmed up. Had one minor little screw up here. Kind of see the bearing went into that hole and dipped it too farther than I wanted it to. Which sucks, but other than starting over, I guess we're gonna have to live with it. Alright, so I remounted the neck, got that to fit, despite my little flub up there. Still haven't sanded the edges and kind of finished cleaning it up, but man, she is pretty. Look at that. Woo-wee. Tight grain, book matched. Like I said, this side matches that side. It's like a book. Still need to drill the holes out for the pins. And I'm going to string it up and see how it sounds before I keep cranking on her. Alright Rangers, back here I am stringing this guitar up. I actually lost one of the bridge pins. And so I actually had to steal it out of my guitar. Because I wanted to finish this up today. But I'll have to order a new one for this one. But I've been looking all over for it all morning. I also went to go spray paint a bunch of cabinet doors. And my spray gun wasn't working. So I spent like 2 hours getting paint all over myself, trying to fix my spray gun. So it's been kind of a wreck of a morning. But anyway, we're going to wrap this up and we're going to play some tunes. Hang tight. All right, Rangers, we got it. All the strings are on. And here we go. Too bad. Anyway, just jamming on the barn. Hey, this is it for the year. I'll probably have one more follow-up video to say goodbye and tell you how to get your stuff on Thursday. But we did it. The guitar is back. And I'm going to go give it to my daughter. She'll probably get a kick out of this. Hang tight for you.
Yay!
Have a seat, play a couple numbers. You can still remember how.
It's so tight. It's because I was playing yours. It's so much easier now on the strings. Is
So
someone?
our wall of guitars is back to complete again. My Taylor, my daughter's Taylor, and my other daughter's Martin. She just got for her birthday a couple weeks ago. So, a couple of sweet guitars. All right, Ranger Woodworkers, this is it. We'll be signing off for the summer here. You guys are going to be coming on Thursday to pick up stuff, and it sounds like Mr. Fuel and I will be by the Globe, by the old gym, with your projects. So you guys can, if you have anything to drop off or anything to pick up, I should have it there, or I can run in and get it or look for it. And so everybody else is going to be going kind of around the other side of the building. So make sure that you come around the back side of the building between the stadium and the old gym by that Globe, and we should be set up there to give you your stuff. Or if you have money to drop off or anything else, that will be where we are at. And so if you have any questions about that, or have any can't make it or something else, or you want to make sure that I get you something that I might forget, just send me an email of what you're expecting to get back, and I will make sure that I rummage through everything and see what I can find for you. Thanks for following along. This really kind of sucked, but at the same time, we did what we had to do with what was given us, and so I hope you didn't mind me and my projects. It's kind of fun to stop and slow down and kind of walk slower through some of the stuff with you guys. So have a great summer. Hope to see a lot of you on Thursday. Say hi, give me a wave, and I hope to see you guys back again normally in the fall. Yeah, I'll be around Central probably for the next 12 years. And so if you ever need anything, feel free to stop by and say hi. If you don't have any of my classes, but for the most part, I would love to have all of you come back and take another class and spend some more time in the shop when we actually can be in the shop. Anyway, signing out. Take care and miss you guys. Catch you soon.